Hey guys, it's Tasia and I'm back with another video. This week we're going to be doing a clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning my entire apartment, starting off with my bathroom. So here I'm just giving you a nice little overview of my bathroom. Nothing crazy. I already started a little bit in the tub. But yeah, if you're interested in any videos like this, just keep on watching. So we're starting off with the Vanity Sink area. I like to use Comment, Bleach, and Fabuloso to clean my bathroom, but like I said, we're starting off with the sink area, so that's what you see me doing, getting the hot water ready, and I'm gonna make a little mixture, and that's what I'll be going into for the entire bathroom, changing it out, doing all that good stuff. But I like to start off with a fresh, hot, filled sink with all of that, and that's what I'll dip the towel into to wipe off the counters and all of that good stuff. Alright, so now I'm going onto the tub. As you saw earlier in the video, I had the comment already sitting in there. I usually like to let it sit and then I clean everything else and then I do the tub last. But I also use the exact same thing. I use bleach and the Fabuloso plus the comment. I don't know, I just like that concoction. I like the Fabuloso for the smell. I like the comment and the bleach for the actual cleaning and disinfecting. Alright, and now I am done and I'm just giving you an overview of what the bathroom looks like. Ooh, yes, I love when the sink, the countertop, and all of the hardware is nice and shiny. That just, gets me going. But anyways, like I said, just showing you guys what it looks like. And all of the bath mats are being washed, so that's why you don't see any bath mats or any towels in there. Because those are being washed when you clean bathroom, you also clean all of those. But yeah. Just wanted to show you guys what it looked like after. So boom, now we're into my bedroom. As you can see, I don't have much in there yet because I'm still in the process of getting my bedroom together, but there's a lot of stuff everywhere. I usually make my bed every morning, but I knew I was going to be washing my sheets because I do that every week. So that's why that was messy. But this is just what it looks like before. And now we're on to the living room. As you can see, the same situation as the bedroom. There's not much in here. There's just things that are out of place that I know that shouldn't be where they are. There's some boxes that I have to recycle, have to sweep, mop, all of the simple things. Since the living room was so easy, now we're into the kitchen, and this is probably what took me the longest. The kitchen was just a disaster. I cooked breakfast, had dinner before, and I just needed to clean. And this is really what sparked me to actually clean up, because I looked at my kitchen and I said, this looks a hot mess. So we're going to get into it. Here's a little hack. If you have any Tupperware that look like this, like that's stained from like lasagna, spaghetti, any of those kind of pastas that have red sauce, I learned this from Twitter. So you're going to take dishwashing liquid, sugar, and ice cubes. I'm going to put it in there, and you just let it sit, basically. At first, I thought I was doing something wrong because it didn't look like anything was working, but when you wash it out, it comes out looking normal as ever.